Let's quickly look at the tools you need to kickstart this journey of footwear making. So first in our list is our shoe last. There is no perfect shoe or perfect footwear made without a shoe mold or a shoe last. You need this for drafting your patterns and as well as coupling. Without it, you can't get it perfect. Second in our list is our leather punch. Leather punch is used to create holes on leather. You have the rotary punch and also the single ones that you can select from. So this is also important. We have our utility knife. Utility knife has so many range and you can choose from whichever that works for you. You use this for cutting strong materials, leather, everfoam, PVC that are very strong that scissors cannot cut. We also have our scissors. Scissors generally is for cutting. So this particular one on the screen is for crafting or leather work. Is firm and is always advisable. We have our French hammer. French hammer is for driving nail to footwear. We already have our tacking nails, so with this French hammer you drive your nails to your footwear. So we have sandpaper. Sandpaper is for roughing the surface of our materials before applying our adhesive, because on a smooth surface our adhesive will not catch, so you need your rough sandpaper to get this done. We also have our rubber mallets. Rubber mallet is generally used to apply pressure after gumming or after applying adhesive. So after applying adhesive and you couple, you need this rubber mallet to apply pressure. We also have our masking tape. Masking tape in shoemaking is used to draft pattern. You mask around your shoe last, draft your pattern before transferring it. All right, so we also have carbon paper. After you're drafting on your shoe last, you need a place to transfer your pattern to before appreciating it. That is where this cardboard paper comes into play. So this is generally for crafting and is essential in footwear. So we have our stitching arm. We already know that you need to do some sewing in your shoe making journey. So this sewing out is for stitching two pieces of leather or materials together by hand outside sewing machine. You need your metal ruler. Metal ruler is ideal for crafting, especially leather, because you need it sometimes to cut out firm materials. We also need to have our measuring tape. Just as metal ruler, this also for measuring, just as is flexible that can wrap around some materials like shoe last and all this. So the next is our silver erasable pen. It's ideal that you use this pen in marking out patterns on leather other than inky pen, because it is erasable. If you use ink pen and you have stain, you may not be able to erase it. This is our glue brush. Just as you know, it's just for applying glue on our surfaces. In the absence of this glue brush, you can use your old toothbrush to apply glue on your surface. You also need a cutting table or a cutting board. So these are the few things that you need to kickstart your journey into footwear making or general leather craft. So I hope you learned something today and you're going to acquire a few things that will help you into the journey. See you in my next class. Bye.